Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have Outlook open and the calendar view visible. Begin by choosing which calendar and item types you'll color code. First, create or confirm your color categories so decisions are fast later. Click Categorize on a selected event, then choose all categories to add new colors and names. Make sure colors are distinct and match your naming convention. For example, Client as blue and Focus as amber, so you'll recognize items at a glance. Now apply categories to events and meetings. You can tag manually, select an event and pick a category, or multi-select several items to tag in bulk. Once you have patterns, set up conditional rules, for example, auto-category for event subject keywords or organizer email, using Outlook's rules or quick steps. This saves repetitive work and enforces consistency. Once done, switch to Color or Overlay View to confirm your finish by auditing your calendar for a week and adjust any categories that cause confusion. Make sure mobile and web clients are syncing category metadata. Sometimes mobile apps show only color without names, so test on devices. If you notice missing colors, check sync status, ensure the same Outlook account and mailbox are used, and verify category mappings in all categories. If issues persist, recreate the category or restart Outlook. That usually resolves stale display or sync glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.